In today's society, there are numerous avenues for women to harness their physicality and turn it into lucrative opportunities. The wellness industry is booming, and there are various ways to tap into this market. Women who are passionate about fitness can become personal trainers or fitness coaches. Leading group fitness classes, whether in a gym or online, is another excellent way to make money with your body as a woman. Creating online fitness content, such as workout videos, meal plans, and fitness blogs, allows you to reach a broader audience. Becoming a licensed massage therapist is another way to monetize your body. If you're passionate about yoga or meditation, becoming an instructor can be a fulfilling way to make money. The performing arts offer dynamic opportunities for women to make money with their bodies. If you have a talent for dance, you can become a dance instructor or performer. Designing and selling fitness apparel or branded merchandise can be a profitable venture. Platforms like Etsy allow you to reach a wide audience and monetize your creativity.